Greetings, great CEOs of Hamster Kombat. Now, after this has played the normal way it is played real life, now I will let it go slowly and explain to you, because I heard most of you complain that it's too fast and you need explanation. So what you just have to do is to make sure you watch this video more than twice. Immediately we start now. So for new members, simply click on the mini key above and it will open to this page. Right now you click on play. Now observe how it is played. For today, you simply drag the short green candle up to the left. Yeah, now the red candle, short one, you pull it up, and the long red candle, pull it up also. And now the short green candle, bring it to the end by the right. Yeah, this one. And now the short red candle below, pull it up. Now pull the long green candle to the end. Yeah, now bring down the red long candle again, and also bring down the short red candle. Now place the key on the top of the two red. Yeah, just here. Yeah, now the short red candle at the top left, pull it down. Now the green candle, the long one, you pull it backward, and the short green candle backward also. Now the key, you pull it backward again, so that you pull up the red candle. Yeah, so now the key, move it forward all the way to the front. Yeah, the key, just pull it forward. Now the long red candle, pull it upward. Then the long green candle, pull it all the way to the end, and pull the two short green candles backward. Yeah, now pull down the long red candle, and now drag your key to pass. Yeah, goal for today achieved.